हेलो डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सोरस क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं आईएसएस मतलब इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्विस का पेपर 2 का जो रिसेंट पास जो पेपर हुआ है उसका ही सॉल्यूशन। ठीक है, अगर आपको हमारी तरफ से कोई फ्री और पेड क्लास की ज़रूरत है, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sources himself reply to your query through WhatsApp. तो आप में से जो भी लोग इस ISS कोर्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन लेना चाहते हैं और हमारा साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurabh's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurabh sir. So let's start with question number 20. Question number 20 में क्या बोला है देख लो. If x1 x2 up to xn is a random sample from n of 0 theta, then which of the statements is given below is or are correct? Statement 1 में है क्या, t1 equals to x1 is complex statistic for theta and t2 equals to x1 square is the complex statistic for theta. So how can I solve? So हम लोग डेफिनेशन ऑन कॉन्सेप्ट को समझ लेंगे पहले. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टैटिस्टिक? A statistics t said to be complex, sorry, a statistics complex statistics. So a statistics t said to be complete for parameter theta, t said to be complete for parameter theta if for any measurable function g, any measurable function g that can be expressed as expected of g of t equals to 0 for all theta tends to p probability of g of t, sorry, g of capital T in both side, g of capital T g of capital T equals to sorry, and not the ending bracket close, g of t equals to 0, okay, equals to 1 for all theta. So what is the random sample form? Random sample form n of 0 comma theta, each xi is distributed as n of 0 comma theta. That means the distribution of xi is normal with mean 0 and variance theta. The distribution of xi is normal of mean 0 and variance theta. Okay, and in the next step, that means the evaluating the statement 1, t1 equals to x1 is a complete statistic for theta. To verify xi is a complete statistics, consider a function g such that expectation of g of xi equals to 0 for all theta. Okay, so for xi distributed as n0 theta, n of 0 theta, then xi is a normally distributed random variable, then the expectation e of g of xi equals to 0 for all theta implies that g of x1 equals to 0. Okay, so almost surely, so this indicates g must be 0 for all values. Okay, confirming that x1 is indeed a complete statistic for theta. Okay, so we go to the now next statement 2, t2 is equals to x square is a complete statistic for theta. So next consider t2 equals to xi square. Here xi square follows chi-square distribution with 1. Xi square follows chi-square distribution with 1. Okay, so chi-square distribution with 1. Okay, with 1 degree of freedom, with 1 degree of freedom. Okay, so scaled by theta, okay, so specifically x1 square divides theta distributed as chi-square of 1 for a function g such that g को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे, एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ g of x1 square equals to 0 for all theta. Okay, so similar to the argument for x1, since x1 carries information about theta and expectation being 0 for all theta, information about theta and expectation being 0 for all theta, expectation being 0 for all theta implies g of x1 square must be 0. So x1 square is also a complex statistics for theta. x1 square is also a complex statistics for x1 square is also complex statistics for theta. Statistics for theta. तो यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन कौन सा हो जाएगा? 1 भी सही है, स्टेटमेंट 2 भी सही है, तो यहाँ पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो जाएगा बोथ 1 and 2 इज द करेक्ट आंसर है. सो ऑप्शन सी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर है. ऐसे ही बहुत सारा स्टेटमेंट और मेथड को आप जानने के लिए जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ. आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू चैम्प्स.